Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Bulletproof Magical Transforming Serum, and this product is made by Glam Cosmetics, and this retails for $18 online. This product can be found at prostorebeauty.com, and I will leave that information in the description box below. But let's get into talking about this product. So what this does is, whether you are working with an eyeshadow, gel liners, mascaras, whatever it is, it turns that powder product into a liquid. Not only does it turn it into a liquid, but it makes that product waterproof. And we all know that if you are a makeup artist, sometimes you need waterproof items, and what better way than to have this, than to go out and have to buy waterproof mascaras. You don't get waterproof eyeshadows, but isn't that lovely, that you can waterproof your eyeshadow look, and all with this. And I have it in the form of a dropper, but it does come in the form of a spray. So this comes in a spray bottle as well. And I have seen makeup artists use this as a finishing spray to make the foundation and the entire makeup look waterproof and to make it last all day. I do know makeup artists that use this as a finishing spray as well. Now, I would not put a lot of this on someone's face, but I would give it a good 2 to 3 spritz with this, and it will make that that look waterproof. So if you're out, you're gonna be near the water, or if you're doing brides, I would say that this is a very good product to have. And for me myself, when I was attending makeup class at Glam Makeup Studios in Dallas, this was one of the products that the instructor demonstrated for us. And what she did was, I'm going to just show you guys here. So I just have a palette, a regular eyeshadow palette here. I'm using the Morphe 9B palette, and I'm just going to take one of the shadows. I'm going to take this one right here. And what I'm going to do, I have a mixing plate here. So I'm going to add a drop of this onto my mixing plate. And then I'm going to take my eyeshadow and my brush here. I'm going to dip the brush into the waterproof solution. Not much, just a little bit. And I'm going to dip it into my eyeshadow. I'm just going to put this out on my hand. And I'm just going to let this dry for a second. And look at this. It doesn't smudge. Don't you want this? It doesn't smudge. It doesn't move. Look at that. Are you getting this here? It doesn't smudge. It doesn't move. We all want our eyeshadow to last all day long. So what better way than using Bulletproof formula here? And like I said, you can get this in a spray bottle, which makes it more convenient. They didn't have the spray formula available when I went to class, but I did get the dropper formula, but that works just as well. Like I said, you can add a little bit to your mixing plate when you're doing someone's makeup. Add you a drop onto your mixing plate. Dip your brush in it. Just dip it once into the serum. And then use your eyeshadow. We'll demonstrate it one more time. And just apply that eyeshadow to the lid. And I'm just blowing this a little bit. Then I'm going to show you that this does not smudge. It does not move. And that's what we want. We want our makeup looks that we work an hour to achieve. We want that to last all day long when we're going somewhere. So look at that. That does not move. every makeup artist who is doing makeup. If you're not doing makeup, you want to have this in your makeup collection, because guess what? Not only is it going to make your eyeshadows liquid formula, a more liquidy formula, as well as your gel liners, but it's going to waterproof that formula, and that's what we want. So let's try this with a gel liner. Let me demonstrate with the gel liner. So I'm just taking the Morphe Slate black liner. It's a regular black liner. I'm going to take a little bit out and put it onto my palette. So on my palette, I have the gel liner and the Bulletproof formula here. So I'm going to just dip my brush into the Bulletproof and then dip it into this liner. Now, let me wipe this off. And on my hand, I'm going to just put a line of this gel liner. Let it dry a minute. Y'all are not believing me on this, but I'm serious. And y'all know I am not gonna lie to y'all about no freaking products, okay? Look at this. This baby does not move. You see that? It makes it waterproof, and that's what we want. When we put on our gel liners, we want them to stay put. That's the gel liner. That's what the Bulletproof can do for your gel liner. Not only is it going to make it a more liquidy consistency, but it's going to make it waterproof. Now, one more thing I have. Mascaras. We all know that in our makeup kits, we have to have a regular mascara and a waterproof mascara. So, maybe you don't want to keep buying waterproof mascara. And if you're in a jam one day, you're out of waterproof, but you got a job to do, hey, no better way than to have some Bulletproof on hand for your mascaras as well. So I'm going to take a regular spoolie, the disposable kind that you would use in your freelance kit, and I'm going to add a bit of mascara. I'm just going to pull out some onto the plate, like I did the gel liner. So I have the mascara here, the Bulletproof here. So I'm going to just take my wand and rub it around in this Bulletproof, right? And then I'm going to take it through the mascara. Now, I applied some to my hand. Just going to give it a minute, let it dry. Y'all better get y'all some, okay? Look at that. Made that waterproof, this mascara waterproof. So, if you are looking for a product to make your eyeliners last all day, to make your mascaras last all day, to make your eyeshadow stay on all day with that makeup look, you better get you some Bulletproof, okay? And like I said, the website where you can purchase the product will be in the description box below, and check us out. This product was produced by Glam Makeup Studios, my makeup school. So hey, get you some of this. This is a must-have for me now. These days in my freelance kit, I have to have this in my freelance kit. It serves a multi-purpose. So check it out in the description box below. Go to the website. Like I said, it retails for $18. Check it out. Get your products Bulletproof.